Hey guys, welcome to today's video and welcome on into my beauty stash. I have a ColourPop haul to share with you guys today. I'm sure a lot of us shopped Black Friday and Cyber Week over on ColourPop because they had some crazy good deals. I picked up the Manifest This collection, which consists of 6 monochromatic 9-pan palettes. And you read the thumbnail and title right. I am doing 6 looks. 6 looks, one with each palette. We got a lot to cover in today's video. I also picked up 2 Super Shock highlighters. I picked up the shade Flexitarian, which is what I'm wearing right now, and I also picked up the shade Felicity. And I picked up 3 rather pastel gel liners that of course I'll be using in today's video. If it is your first time here on my channel, I want to say hello and welcome to all of you. My name is Steph and this is what I love to do. I love trying out new makeup. I love doing multiple looks with eyeshadow palettes. You're definitely getting lots of looks today. I do makeup ranking videos. Right now we're in declutter season. If all of that sounds great to you, if that sounds like somewhere you want to be, something you want to see on pretty much a daily basis, I do tend to upload quite a bit. Do me a favor and click on that subscribe button. Hit the bell next to it. That way you'll be notified every time I do drop a new video. And if you like ColourPop, or you just want to see me create looks with some new ColourPop makeup, give this video a thumbs up before you go. As usual, I will have everything that I'm wearing in today's video linked and listed in the description box. Some of those links might be affiliate links, so if you do end up shopping through them, I thank you so much for supporting me and my channel. Let's get started with today's video. It's going to be a bit of a different style of video just because we are doing 6 looks in this video, so I'll play some music while I'm creating the looks. You guys will see swatches and up-close pictures at that time, and then after I complete each look, I'll come on, give you my brief opinion on the palette, if I experienced any issues, and let you know what makeup I have on. And then at the end of the video, we'll just do a general wrap-up. If you guys want to see my ColourPop haul in action, keep on watching. Alright guys, so here's the completed look with the Sweet Vibes palette. I opted for an all matte lid and just did one of the shimmers in the corner. I really like the way the look turned out. The mascara I'll be using in today's video is from ColourPop and it is the Level Up Mascara. And if you see me with black liner on, like right now, it's going to be the Wet n Wild Breakup Proof Liquid Liner, the Peanuts, the Snoopy version. I also used one of my new liners that I picked up from ColourPop. It is this one right here. This one is in the shade Fruit Fantasy. Overall, I think this palette is pretty decent. The mattes blended out really well. I only got to use one shimmer shadow and it was this one right here, but it definitely packs a punch and I did spray my brush. I want to say this one is a pressed glitter. Yeah, it does have some glitter particles in it. That's the thing. Some of these palettes, they do contain, I don't know if they're calling them pressed glitters, but they're like glitter type of shades. So let's move on to the left eye and we're going to be working with New Money next. Okay guys, so here's the completed look with the New Money palette. I love the way this look turned out. I managed to use a lot of the shades in this particular palette. I think there was only 2 shades that I didn't get to use, and they were actually, no, there's only one. This is the only shade I didn't get to use. This one and this one. I didn't use that matte. So these 2, that's not bad. And I love the way this look turned out. Performance, A+. Same everything else, but for the lower waterline, another ColourPop cream gel liner. This one is in the shade Teaspoon. This is a good one of my favorite green ones. Okay guys, I'm going to remove these looks and I'll come right back and we'll start working with 2 more of these Manifest This palette collection. Alright guys, so here's the completed look with Extra Coin. I really love the way this look turned out. This is a really nice smoky eye. Now this shade that I did use is kind of pressed glitter-like, or it's either that or it's a very textured shimmer shadow, but I feel like it's more pressed glitter-like, but I didn't get any fallout from it, and it was really easy to apply. It does have like a tacky base to it. Same everything with the lower waterline. I went in with a Give by Gwen Stefani eyeliner in the shade Spiderwebs. Love it. Let's move over to the left eye, and what's up next? Sunny Days. Alright guys, so here's the completed look with Sunny Days. This definitely does remind me of Sunny Days. For the lower waterline, I went in with one of my new liners that I picked up from ColourPop. This one is in the shade Shady Lane. I kind of think I should have gone for a yellow instead of like this peachy pink. This one I'll probably end up using in the next look because I feel like it's going to pair really well with this next palette. But I used all the matte shades in this particular palette, and I did manage to use a couple of the shimmers. So far guys, these palettes are doing a great job and I'm really enjoying the looks I've been able to create. Let me take a couple pictures, remove these looks, and I'll be right back and we'll start working with the last 2 palettes. Okay guys, so here's the completed look with Pink Drink. Same everything except for the lower waterline. Another ColourPop cream gel liner. I actually did a combination of these two right here. So it's a combination of Shady Lane, which is the new one I picked up, and then this one I already had. This one is Bay Breeze. I like it. It was easy to work with. Again, this is one of those like pressed glitter formulas, but it's not like a chunky pressed glitter. It's a nice pressed glitter formula to work with, and it's not giving me any fallout. So we have one palette left, and that is probably the most neutral palette of the 6, and it is Island Vacay. Alright guys, so here's the completed look with Island Vacay. That sounds really good right now. I could use a vacation, but this is a really nice neutral palette. Like, this is a really solid neutral palette. I just added some black Give eyeliner for the lower waterline, and same everything else. I am going to rank all of these palettes. I'm going to give you my final thoughts next. Alright guys, 6 looks later, 6 palettes later, I'm gonna give this Manifest This collection from ColourPop 2 amazing thumbs up. I thought all of the palettes performed really well. They retail right now on the ColourPop website for $54. That is a discounted price that I don't know how long it's going to last, but this could be a situation where you keep 2 and give 4, or keep 3 and give 3, or give them all away, or keep them all for yourself. Just know if you give these away, you are giving something that's pretty solid. These are solid 9-pan palettes. Yes, a couple of them have like that glitter texture, glitter formula. They're not calling it pressed glitter. At least I didn't see that on the website. But I didn't even need like a glitter primer or anything. I just sprayed the brush and it was fine. I mean, I think they all did an amazing job. The 4 eyeliners I picked up, I mean, I always enjoy using the ColourPop cream gel liners. And then of course the 2 Super Shock highlighters. I didn't have those in my stash, so love those. But let me rank these for you. And one more thing, you have to get them in a bundle. I don't think these are available individually. I was looking around the website, I didn't see them available as individuals. So coming in at number 6, I have Sunny Daze, and I'm not ranking this based on quality. This is just a color story preference. This is a nice little sunny eyeshadow palette, but you know, I feel like the shades are a little too light for me. Still fun to work with. That matte yellow in here, phenomenal. But this one is going to come in at number 6. Coming in at number 5 is the one I just worked with, which is Pink Drink. This is a nice little pink tone palette, really cute. Mix and match them too. I think like this one and Sunny Daze would be perfect complements to one another. Coming in at number 4 is the very first palette I went in with, and that is the Sweet Vibes palette. This is the one I created the all matte lid with, and it did a really good job. I'm going to be looking forward to using this one a little bit more. Now for the top 3. Number 3 is the one I just used, and it is Island Vacay. You're looking for a new neutral palette, Island Vacay is it. This is great palette. Coming in at number 2, what is it? Send Money. New Money. You guys know how I feel about green, and surprise, surprise, it didn't make the number 1 spot. The number 1 spot is going to Extra Coin. Extra Coin, the cool tone neutral palette of the bunch. Wow, this is a really nice palette, and yes, it has one of those pressed glitter types of shadows in it, but Man, this one's really good. This is a really solid neutral palette. They're all really solid little 9-pan palettes. Let me know what you thought of today's video. Let me know if you picked this up in your recent Black Friday ColourPop haul. Just let me know. Let me know what you hauled from ColourPop. I want to thank you guys so much for watching another one of my videos. You all have a great day or night wherever it is you all are at. Stay hydrated, guys. Drink that water. Cheers. I'll see y'all very soon. Bye.